how to delete or remove lens on the Snapchat application. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple, so let's jump straight into the video. Now of course you want to go ahead and open up the Snapchat application right here. It does not matter whether you're using an Android or iOS device, the method is basically the same. Now inside Snapchat, you can just go ahead and choose the lens or filter that you want to remove. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and use this specific lens right here. If you want to remove this lens, you want to click on this button right below your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this pop-up menu will show up. All you have to do is to click on the three lines right here, and you have to click on remove lens. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.